Now, the third question, which is for Madhya. Then we have
Question number third is for Pradeep Madri.
evaluate. The third question is evaluate 4 upon 5 whole square into 4 upon 5 whole square 1. Evaluate. The third question is evaluate. The other screen is visible. 4 upon 5 whole square into 4 upon 5 whole square 1. Evaluate.
What is the answer they have given? Answer they have given?
No. Option A, 64 upon 25. Okay. The option is wrong. So the question passes to Tishu.
They should have to answer this.
Now they should have to answer the question. 4 upon 5. Evaluate.
Then God must be lovely.
Dear guys, question is passed. The timing is going on. The answer 125 upon 60. It is a wrong answer. So I will tell you the right answer. The right answer is option C, 64 upon 125. Okay. Now, the turn of Tishu. Here is the question. Which of the following can be true for a triangle? We have 4 options. Which of the following can be true for a triangle? Each angle is less than 60 degree. 2 angles are obtuse angles. Each angle is greater than 60 degree. 1 angle is an obtuse angle. Which of the following can be true for a triangle? We have 4 options. Each angle is less than 60 degree. 2 angles are obtuse angle. Each angle is greater than 60 degree. And 1 angle is an obtuse angle. You have to give the answer.
If they answer, then these are the three lovely. So we have to.
You have to answer loudly. Hurry up guys, timing running off. Last 30 seconds. Option B, 2 angles are obtuse angle. It is a wrong answer. Now the question passes to Arami House. Which of the following can be true for a triangle? D. Correct. 1 angle is an obtuse angle. Because in triangle, the sum is 180 and 1 angle is obtuse angle. First option is each angle is less than 60. It is wrong. 2 angle are obtuse angle. It is also wrong. Because obtuse angle is more than 90. Arami House. Then we have a question please.
Next question.
Question number 5. Arami. No, it is not question number 5. Yes. If 9x plus 8 is equal to 143, then what will be the value of 9x minus 8? If 9x plus 8 equal to 143, then what will be the value of 9x minus 8? You have to give the answer. You have 4 options. First option is 7 and fourth option is 130. If 9x plus 8 equal to 143, then what will be the value of 9x minus 8? See, you have given the option 127C. It is correct. It is 127. Now, we are moving to the next question. It is for Nilgiri. It is for Nilgiri House. Iqbal got 13 out of 25 in his math test. What is the percentage of marks that he scored? Iqbal got 13 out of 25 in his math test. What is the percentage of marks that he scored? 52%, 23%, 43% and 30%. You have to do. Yes.
Sir, 52.
52%. It is correct. 52%. Now moving to the next question, which is for Madhya House. Here are the two statements. You have to read the two statements and you have to answer. Statement 1 is right, statement 2 is right, only 1 is right, only 2 is right, and none of these. The statement 1 says all rectangles are square, and the statement 2 all squares are rectangles. There are two statements. Only one statement is statement 1 is correct. Second option is statement 1 and 2 both are correct. Third, only second statement is correct. D, none of these. Option D. Option D is the wrong answer. Now the question passes to Trishul. Option A. All rectangles are square. It is also a wrong answer. I will tell you the right answer. Option number C. Only statement 2 is correct because all rectangles are not square, but all squares are rectangles. It is a wrong answer. If you have two diagrams, one is of violet color and one is of green color, it is equal to 11, and 4 equal to 12. Then what is the value of 4 pink color? It is a tricky question. You have to answer this. What is the value? 32, 33, 35, and 38. Option A. Speak loudly. Option A. What is option A? Option A is 32. Correct. It is 32. Now we are moving to Aravali. It is a reasoning question. Monday is related to Sunday. Then Thursday is related to. You have to think about it. Monday is related to Saturday and Thursday is related to Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Sunday. Give a mouth shut. You have to answer. Be Aravali. It is correct. It is Tuesday. Now, the second question for Team Nilgiri. Clear my way. Which out of four? So here. So next pattern 3 plus 4 7 then 16. It is same position. The pattern is inverted and same. Pattern चल रहा है same और inverted. पहले उल्टा हुआ फिर same. Then the pattern 8 plus 5 30. The inverse of 30 31. Then the pattern will be 9 plus 2 30. Same pattern. Now the inverted pattern comes. 7 plus 8 15. Convert the 15 opposite 15. That's the correct answer. Good. Think about it. Can you solve this? 22 plus 4 is equal to 24. 13 plus 6 is equal to 16. 80 plus 2 is equal to 82. Then what will be 67 plus 9? Can you answer? Please Himanshu. 69. Correct. It is 69. So here 2 plus 4 24. 1 plus 6 16. 8 plus 2 82. Then 6 plus 9 69. It is a pattern here. Now we are moving to the next question. It is for the Trishul. 3, 2, 4 equal to 10. 4, 3, 5 equal to 17. 5, 4, 6 equal to 26. 6, 5, 7 equal to 37. Then what will be 7, 6, 8? You have to answer. Team Trishul. 30. You are saying the answer is 30. The answer is wrong. The question passes to 3 Manami. What will be the answer? 50. Correct. It is 50. It is 50. Yeah. What? What do you want? Here the pattern is 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 2 10. 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 3 is 70. 5 6 5 are 30. 30 minus 4 26. 6 7 are 42. 42 minus 5 37. So same pattern will be here. 8 7 are 56. 56 minus 6 50. सारे दूसरा pattern को अपना इसका. Now we have one word answers question. We have one word answer question. If you are capable, then you will mark plus 2. Yes. Team around me. Who is the father of mathematics? Team around me. Who is the father of mathematics? You have to answer. Who is the father of mathematics? Answer. 360 degree. What is the value? Guys, hurry up. Just one more question left. Guys, time is going on. Hurry up. Madhuri, out. Time is going very fast. Speak up. Zero. It is the wrong answer. Now the question comes to Trishul. What is the value of cos 360 degree? In Trishul. 4. It is the wrong answer. So I will tell you the right answer. Ramli, you want to know the answer? Okay, I will tell you the answer. The value of cos 360 degree is 1. The value of cos 360 degree is 1. And the last question of today's maths quiz is for Team Trishul. Angle greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree are called. Angle greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree are called. Reflex angle. Correct. It is correct. We are going to end our maths quiz now. Now we will calculate the marks. Who is the winner? Who is the runner-up? And who is at the third place? I hope you enjoy the maths quiz. So there is a tie between Team Ramli and Team Nigri. Both have scored 8 marks. So now it's a tiebreaker question I am asking. So who will know the answer? They can raise up your hand. It's a tiebreaker question. Yes. The question is, when is pi day? Pi 22/7 or we can mention 3.14. When is pi day celebrated around the world? When is pi day celebrated around the world? I am giving you the options. 14th February, 14th March, 14th April and 29th August. 14th February, 14th March, 14th April and 29th of August. 14th April. It is a wrong answer. So now there is a chance for Team Nigri. You have 3 options. 14th February, 14th March and 29th of August. 29th August, it is a wrong answer.
One more question, please.
Now the correct answer is 14th March. 14th of March.
Please ask one question. Now ask them, please complete first. पहले इनसे पूछो मैं
चलो जो बताओ है 3x plus 2 is equal to 12. If 3x plus 2 is equal to 12, find the
2 equals to 1.
Yes.
3a plus 4.
Yes.
जो पहले बताएगा वो विनर होगा।
Is
X.
three dimensions